The only reason why you're saying that is because you don't think I can do it.
No, what I'm saying is not a problem. What do you got? 58?
Yeah.
All I want you to do is like
Connect.
now go like 1/8 back here and 7/8 up here to make 8/8. Right? 1/8, 7/8. I want more after swing. Right? There we go.
You like that? Who are you, Butch? Yeah, I mean that's the reason we got to go at it out. Yeah.
Rum and Coke.
Oh my God! 2 in a row! Are you up? Oh, by his hair and your old chinny twin. Be good. Got it? Oh.
Got it. You gotta get a report.
Jim. Back to you, Jim.